I'm going to show you how to upload and edit a document. So first, on the admin dashboard, we're going to go into this Documents tab right here, and we're going to go all the way to the right and press this New Document button. Then I can upload a file, so I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to select this Licensing 700 form for California. Press Continue. I'm going to call it the Licensing Form, 2021 Sample Form. And then I'm going to press the Next button. This is going to be the document I will be editing. So one thing that's great about a lot of these licensing forms is that they're able to automatically be tagged. I can press this auto tag button right here, press add fields, and then it will automatically create the document for me. You'll see that there's some extra fields that we're going to want to clean up. For example, this field right here, we can go ahead and delete. Additionally, most of these fields are great, but there are some things that we actually want to make optional. For example, we want to turn this checkbox to optional and this checkbox to optional. This form now looks ready to be completed for this page. Let's continue on to the second page. We'll see that we have some extra fields that we want to delete. And then here we want to change this to a signature. So we're going to delete that, add a signature, drag and drop that right here. Cool. And everything, time that shall be picked up. Yeah, everything here looks great. I'm going to press continue. I'm not going to send it to any students at the moment, so I'm just going to press continue it again. And now we see that our licensing form has been uploaded. It'll show the status of every single form, if it's submitted or not, for each student. And then once it's uploaded, I'm going to be able to view it and open up the document. I can go back to the Documents tab in order to see this here. If I realize that I want to actually go in and edit something, I can go over here to these three dots, press Edit, and then I'm going to keep the name, but I can edit that as well. And then maybe I want to move some fields around. For example, this field I want to make a little bit bigger. So I'll just adjust everything right here. I'll press continue, 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 and we're done.